Today, in the Tokyo showroom, we're gonna show you a really special car. It's the most expensive car of Tom's. That is the Century. Why this car is so famous in Japan, and why only the really important people is allowed to go with this car.
Don't miss out the new videos subscribing to the channel. The Toyota Century is the most special and luxury car made in Japan. This car was designed to celebrate the 100th anniversary of the Toyota founder. That's why it's called Century. As a logo, they use a phoenix that is handmade crafted.
They say that it's the Japanese Rolls Royce, and once you sit inside, you understand why. You can really smell the quality. Like you have curtains, even these speakers. It's crazy all the details that you have inside the car.
Why is it important in Japan? It shows respect, tradition and quality. It's not a show-off car like any supercar that you can see around.
Even with the paint, they polish until it's mirror.
With the same quality, Tom's has to polish the body kit piece by piece, making sure that the quality is exceptional.
It's handmade, everything, piece by piece. That's why it's taking so long to make one car, and that's why it's so expensive.
It's always driven by important politicians, company bosses, the imperial family, and sometimes some Yakuza leaders.
I would like to have one as well.
But my favorite part are these crazy BBS rims that they are made out of magnesium. The weight of the rims is only 8 kilos per rim. That's super light. The doors are closing itself.
As many people was asking, we got the Century car to show. Inside, outside, all the body kit, everything. We have the exhaust chains, we have the inside made for Tom's, and also we have the skirts and the front diffuser. Inside this engine, we have a hybrid engine, but it's really powerful. It's the same engine that we are using in the IS 500. From Tom's, we are not modifying this engine yet. This car is not possible to rent, of course. It's not inside the Moskin program that Tom's has, but you can come to the showroom and enjoy the car, seeing from inside, outside, and take as many pictures as you want. This is a car that it's not about the price, the money, or to flex, about that you have it. It's about respect.